Sam's channel, where we create memories. Today we are going to be creating a Pokemon letter to art piece for your home or your spaces. And the idea came from the letter type chains or signs that some people put in their entrances or just in their family rooms or whatnot that say like welcome or family, which is easy to represent in a home. So I decided to take that kind of approach and put a little bit of a different twist to it, a little more of a gaming side or personal side to it, so that if you wanted to create something similar to meet your own personal needs, then you can do that as well. Make sure to stick around so that you can see the final result, and we'll get into the supplies that you need for this.
What you need: mini canvases, paintbrushes, water jug and palette, E6000 glue, string. Some other items will be down below if I forget them, so make sure to take a look. Let's get started.
want to thank you guys for watching my video, and I hope you enjoyed the process of making this sign or banner, whatever you want to call it. Such a simple and easy DIY project to represent either your gaming decor or personalized room, as well as you get to choose the colors that you want to go with your room. So if that is ever interesting or something that you were looking for your space, let me know. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment down below if you have any input or questions about what I did today. Other than that, I hope you guys have a terrific Tuesday, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys!